In today's video, I will walk you through how to switch to dark mode in Yahoo Finance. Start by opening your preferred web browser and navigating to the Yahoo Finance website. Once the page loads, make sure you are on the Yahoo Finance homepage. Next, look toward the upper right corner of the page and locate your profile icon. Depending on your account, this may appear as your avatar or as a simple profile icon. Click on it to open the menu. If you do not immediately see it, make sure your browser window is wide enough or adjust the zoom level until the icon becomes visible. After the menu opens, look for the option labeled Appearance and select it. This will open the appearance settings for Yahoo Finance. You do not need to change anything else since all of the theme controls are located here. Inside the appearance settings, select Dark Mode. As soon as you choose it, the Yahoo Finance interface will switch to a darker color theme. The change should apply across different sections of the site, including charts, watch lists, news pages, and navigation areas. If you prefer the website to follow the theme used by your device, choose Device Default instead. With this option enabled, Yahoo Finance will automatically match the light or dark setting currently being used by your computer or mobile device. After selecting your preferred option, return to the main page and continue using Yahoo Finance normally. If you move between different sections of the site, the selected appearance will remain active. In some cases, the new theme may not appear immediately. If that happens, refresh the page once and allow the settings to update. After refreshing, you should see the selected appearance applied throughout the website. Whenever you want to make another change, simply click the profile icon again, open the appearance settings, and choose a different option. You can switch between dark mode and device default at any time by returning to the same menu. If your browser window is narrow and the profile icon is hidden, adjust the size of the window or zoom out slightly until the icon becomes visible again. Once you can access the profile menu, the appearance settings are only a few clicks away. That's all there is to it. Open Yahoo Finance, click your profile icon, select appearance, and choose either dark mode or device default. If needed, refresh the page to apply the change, and you can always return to the same settings whenever you want to switch themes again. Thank you for watching.